Hello YouTube viewers, welcome back to the channel. Today I'd like to talk to you about a budget set of neutral density filters that I found on eBay for about $25, and it seems like a really good value to me, and I thought I would share it with you. What we have here is a system with the holder that goes onto your camera, which is the Konkin P-series filter size that it uses. They're not quite square, they're rectangular. And this set is a very good value for somebody who's wishing to get into experimenting with ND filters, because they can be very expensive for the high-end ones. And for a lot of new photographers and videographers like myself, we just can't afford to be paying $100 per filter. The really nice thing about this particular system is that it comes with a series of rings to fit almost any common lens size, beginning with looks like 49 millimeters, and they progress all the way up to looks like 82 millimeters. So they've really got you covered. The way they work, I'll just grab another camera here. So I've got my Nikon DSLR, which uses 40, let's see, I think it's 52 millimeter. Yes, 52 millimeter filters. So if we just put that on the front, that portion just threads right into the camera. And there we go. Now we are ready to put the adapter on that. So I'll just set that down for a moment. Put that there. And as you can see on my Canon here, the front portion of the holder just slides. It should just slide off. There we go. It just slides off. And on the Canon, I've got the 58 millimeter adapter. And we'll just take that. We'll grab the Nikon. And we can just slip that right onto the front. So for somebody who has a couple different cameras, this is a quick way to be able to change your filters. If you're new to using filters, this is a great way to get into the game. They give you 4 different neutral density filters in the solid. They give you 4 different filters in the graduated, which is really good for, like, if you want to darken up the sky a little bit while you still keep your land, or say maybe an ocean shot or something like that. I'll put a post right here, right now, of what you can do to get that very dreamy look on moving water. So I'll check that out for a second here. Okay, so we're back here now. And yeah, is it a good value at $25 to get started in filters? Yeah, absolutely, because normally you pay about $100 a piece for these type of filters, and another $70 for the holder. So let me just set that down for a moment, and I'll show you what comes with the kit. You of course get the holder. You get all of the adapter rings for all of your different lenses. Here's one of the graduated filters. I don't know if you can see that or not, but it's dark on one side, light on the other. You get 4 of those. And with this particular kit that I have here, it's the Ranger's P-series kit. It comes with a nice little bag. They even throw in a microfiber cloth, which is, I guess that's pretty good to have an extra one of those. Inside the kit, it's all divided up so you can place your filters in order so you can grab them in a hurry. Again, this is a great way to get into experimenting with neutral density filters, and I hope this video was useful to you. If you like it, please like and subscribe, and we hope to see you back for the next video. See you next time.